Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and experts. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful bag. So let's get into the tutorial. All right, so this is the handle. So you cut 4 by 35 inches. Okay, so this is the pocket. So I'm going to work on the pocket first of all. So the pocket you cut 15 by 7.5. okay, so we'll sew it round like this. So I'm going to leave space for turning. All right, and this is the main body. So the main body I'm using 15.5 by 31 inches. Okay, so the wideness is 15.5 while the length is 31 inches, so that by the time you're done everything will be 15.5 by 15.5. okay, so the lining is also the same measurements with the body. So let's quickly do this. I'll stitch this round and leave space for, so let's start from here. So you turn this the way you're holding it. So you sew it round. After you're done with the pocket, so we're going to be fixing the pocket. Get the middle, the center of this. Okay, so you can mark the center. All right, like you can use your marker to mark the center and also mark the center of this. Okay, so I'm going to be fixing my pocket like this. So we'll stitch it round. Okay, all right, so the next thing is to, so let me remove my office phone. Okay, so the next thing is to place this like this. Can you see that? So right side is facing right side, so I'm going to stitch this round. I'm going to stitch the bag all round, then leave a little space here for turning. Okay, I'm going to leave a little space for turning, so I'm going to stitch it round, leave little space from this point to this point for turning. Okay, all right, so remove all the edges very well, then top stitch it round again. So I'm stitching, like I told you that you are stitching it round. Okay, so we are stitching it round. I just covered, okay, the place I use in the turning, the empty space, the space I left. Okay, so we are stitching it round. All right, so we are done with this, right? So the next thing is I'm going to join this together, top stitch here and top stitch here. So I'm going to show you the next step after now. So top stitch here, top stitch here. All right guys, so now after you're done with this, right, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 1.5, okay, 1.5. So look at 1.5. So use your marker or whatever to mark it on this side on this side and on this side 1.5, but you're excluding the stitched part, so you are starting from this point. Do the same thing here. Now after that, okay, I will now open it this way. Can you see that? I'll top stitch. I'll do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I like you to drop in the comment section kindly comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can join the membership platform to have access to so many other videos that are not available, like that are exclusive for members. Okay, and also we have a Telegram class. You can chat me up on 08036588365 if you're interested in our Telegram class. Okay, see what we have here, guys. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be working on the handle. So the handle I told you is 4 by 35 inches. So see what I'm going to do. I'll do like this, okay? Do like this and top stitch it. Top stitch. Alright guys, so this is the hand. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to turn this bag, our beautiful bag, inside out like this. Okay, so you see what we have here. So I'm going to now get the center of this of the strap. Okay, you see I marked the center. I marked the center here. So I'm now going to come to this point. See what I'm doing. So I'm going to measure 3 inches to 3 inches. Okay, 3 inches. So let's quickly mark 3 inches from this point to this. So I'm fixing my handle to 3 inches. Can you see? So here also 3 inches. Okay guys, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section, drop a video suggestion. What would you like me to teach you in my next video? Okay guys, so let's see. So I'm going to fix it like this. Can you see? So I'm going to stitch it like this, like this, like this. Should I show you? I'm actually, okay guys, let's see. Remember I got the center, that's the new point, right? So I'm going to show you this and you run the next one. Okay, alright guys, so I'm going to repeat the same procedure on the other handle. Okay, alright guys, so this is what we have. 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 So this is what we have. Okay, so comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, Tarron Innovative World. Thank you so much. Click the like button so that the more likes this video gets, the more other people that really wants to learn will also come across this tutorial. Please subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, like and comment in the comment section. Bye for now.